velcro under the gasket installed. Right here it is. High roof transit slider screen. This is our standard zipper screen. I just put it together with the Easy Pass on the table. Here's your hook that sticks to your loop on your frame. It's sticking out from under your gasket and it's bent like this. Just like so. All the way around. All the way around. From top of the floor to top of the floor. Okay? Okay, here's our screen. Standard slider. Zipper screen. Start at the top. Line it up good. Just like that. I'm just guessing where it's going to go here. Looks pretty close. All right, here's our Easy Pass. Climb on out. Like I had said before, these spots up here, you can cut some slits and get that to lay nice and flat. But don't cut your gasket, obviously. And this velcro stays in place. Closed and I stick that on there, obviously. And there's a little extra all the way around. Could be slid a little further forward. But that's not too bad for just walking up and sticking it on. There it is. Got a nice seal all the way around. You can get in and out right here at your pass-through. Just like that. Nice, beautiful seal. Easy to get in and out. There you go. You have your zipper up front. You have some bigger things you need to put in, or you want to roll the screen back. Comes with two straps. You can stick the outside of the strap here. I roll it to the inside. Just like that. Stick your strap here, separate this 3-inch in your loop, stick the back of the strap over there. Obviously, that ties it back. There's a zipper here as well. And like I said, you can remove it at the Velcro all the way around. Put it back. Just like so. That, you can seal it up out front. There's your pass-through, all ready to go. Nice screen, good seal. And the Velcro, yeah, it makes Velcro noise, but once it's installed, you don't even need it. You don't have to listen to it. It's easy to install, uninstall. Has a good seal. A to Z covers, standard slider zipper screen with a magnetic easy pass.